C-Log is a solution that optimizes and secures chemotherapy treatments from the cytotoxic compounding unit all the way to the administration to the patient. The solution is based on RFID technology. Each preparation is fitted with an electronic tag with a memory chip. The data on this chip can be accessed and updated every time it is read by a dedicated reader. C-Log is interfaced with the chemotherapy manufacturing and prescription software, removing the need to record each step in the software. Data is exchanged in real time thanks to the RFID technology. C-Log is organized into 4 modules. The pharmacy module, the transportation module, the nurse station module, and the administration module with the X-Match application. A blank RFID tag is affixed onto the chemo preparation during the compounding step. In C-Log, each actor has to identify him or herself with an RFID badge or a password. The pharmacy module is comprised of 6 tabs: stock visualization, release, dispensing, allocation, return, dashboard. As soon as a preparation is produced, it appears in the Release tab. Once the preparation leaves the isolator, the pharmacist places it on a dedicated RFID antenna. C-Log detects the blank chip and prompts the user to scan the barcode on the label. Scanning this barcode, which corresponds to the preparation's prescription number, makes it possible to retrieve the information from the prescription software. A window on the screen prompts the pharmacist to select the person who made the preparation and the person who performed the intermediate controls. When the pharmacist finalizes the operation by clicking on Valid, the product data as well as the patient data are encoded into the tag. The product is then prepared and released. The released products appear in the Dispensing tab. Preparations going to the same department are placed in the container reader. This allows the user to quickly dispense up to 20 products at once. A transport batch is created with all dispensed products. The preparations in the container reader are displayed automatically. Any preparation detected as non-compliant will be displayed in red. In this case, one preparation is not destined to the selected department, and another is expired. When the preparations displayed in red are removed, they immediately disappear, and the batch can be dispensed. The dispensed batch can be removed from the container reader and made available to the person in charge of the transport. To summarize, in the pharmacy module, a blank RFID tag is affixed onto each preparation. This chip is encoded with the patient and product data when released. The container reader allows dispensing up to 20 products at once. The transporter is informed in real time as soon as a batch is dispensed and can come collect the batch at the pharmacy. When the batch passes the transport reader as it leaves the pharmacy, C-Log indicates the batch's destination. This will also change the status of the batch and of each individual preparation from dispensed to collected. When entering the receiving department and passing the transport reader, the display confirms that the batch is at the right place. This will update the status of the batch and the individual preparations to delivered. If the batch is presented to a wrong department, C-Log will indicate the mistake as well as the right destination. To summarize, in the transportation module, the batches change status each time they pass a transport reader. All stakeholders are informed in real time of the status and location of the products. The deliverer is notified if a delivery is made to the wrong department. The nurse is informed as soon as a batch has been delivered to the department through a designated dashboard. To accept a delivery of preparations, the nurse would open the receipt menu and scan each preparation on the RFID reader. When it passes on the antenna, the preparation is automatically received. Once all the products are received, only those requiring refrigeration remain on the screen to draw the user's attention. The dashboard is a major tool for organizational support. It tracks the changes in preparations status from the order to the administration. This dashboard drastically reduces the number of calls from the departments to the pharmacy. To summarize, in the Nurse Station module, the nurse is informed in real time when products are delivered to the department. Each product is automatically traced and received. C-Log supports the correct storage of products that need refrigeration. X-Match is an application that secures drug administration and ensures traceability in real time. In each administration of chemotherapy, the healthcare provider is supported by a handheld device with the X-Match application. Before the administration, nurses must identify themselves using their badge or PIN code. Once the user is identified, the main menu is displayed. To begin an administration, the wristband barcode is scanned to identify the patient. Once the patient is identified, it would be cross-checked against the information in the RFID tag on the preparation. To do this, the mobile device simply has to be placed close to the RFID chip. If the product and the patient match, the application will display Match. Otherwise, it will display Stop, and the product will not be administered. After the patient has orally verified his or her identity, the nurse can confirm the match and begin the administration. No Wi-Fi connection is necessary for cross-checking the patient and product, since both these items are locally available on the RFID chip itself. On the dashboard, the nurses can see all their ongoing administrations. This allows them to optimize their organization according to the projected time remaining for each administration. To interrupt an administration, select End Administration and place the device near the preparation again. Next, choose to pause or stop the administration. If Stop is selected, the nurse has to indicate whether this stop is unplanned or normal. If normal, simply confirm the end of the administration. If unplanned, the nurse will be asked to select the reason and the actions taken according to the cause of the interruption. As a result, it is no longer necessary to validate each administration in the prescription software. X-Match enters the data automatically. This information can also be made available in the computerized patient file. In summary, thanks to X-Match, the administration is secured by cross-checking the product and patient ID. The dashboard and automatic electronic transmission of information improve the efficiency and working conditions of the nurses.